Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today we have here a brand new smartwatch from Maimo that is called the Maimo Watch Flow. Now this smartwatch is supposed to retail in Malaysia for approximately 300 ringgit or so. But you guys can rest assured know that I'll put the links down below if you want to find out more about that. Well, today we're going to take a look at the watch itself, and I do have it here and have been using it for slightly more than a week now. Well, what is the Maimo Watch Flow really all about? Well, according to Maimo, this is a premium looking smartwatch that also comes with a bunch of cool tracking features for both your health and your fitness. So let's check out what the Maimo Watch Flow is all about. Now first things first, we got to talk a bit about the design, and there is actually 3 colors to the Maimo Watch Flow. I chose the blue here because I think it looks the most unique, but there is also a black, and I think there's also a beige if I'm not mistaken. So links down below to find out more. But anyway, in terms of the design, we have this really nice minimalist and classic kind of look. I like the fact that we have this chrome frame all around that makes it look very expensive. Maimo is saying that the materials used here is a stainless steel material, but yet it feels very lightweight. If you are like me and you track your sleeps at night, you will not feel the weight of this watch on your wrist at all, and that is awesome because you don't want to be disturbed by your watch during your sleeps. Right, apart from that, we also have these really nice silicone straps here with a little bit of texture down in the middle, and if you flip it to the back, you will notice that we have a couple of latches here. So if you want to swap out your straps for different kind of straps, you can do that very easily with the Maimo Watch Flow. On the right, you also have a single button here. It's very easy to use, and overall, I think this is a very nice looking smartwatch, one that doesn't stand out too much but also looks very minimalist and modern at the same time. Right, now let's jump into the next point here and check out its display. Right, so at the front here, we do have a very nice 1.6-inch AMOLED display. You guys already know with an AMOLED display, you will definitely be having awesome viewing angles. Check this out guys, from the sides, the watch face is very visible even from all kinds of angles. You also have very good contrast levels, great vivid colors here. Everything looks amazing on the Maimo watch display. Apart from that, if you notice just now, we are having this always on display. So if I just turn it off, notice that I still have the clock showing up so I can see it at any point of time that I want to. Really awesome here because not all watches come with always on display. If you want to know more about the watch faces, we do have more than 100 different designs. So obviously you'll be able to find more in the Maimo Fit app. But there is actually one really interesting call out here, and this is the outfit kind of watch face. So Maimo is saying that we have this AI stylist from the app itself. You can take a picture of your outfit, and based on your outfit, Maimo will come up with a custom watch face for you. So mine currently is this one here that comes with a couple of dots in the background. I think it looks quite funky and it's quite cool as well. Check this out guys, we have a different design always on display here. So it changes based on your watch face. But overall, just in terms of this display, I'm really pleased to say that it's an awesome display. It's very bright outdoors and you don't have any issues with the display at all. Awesome stuff there. Now I'm just going to switch back to my favorite watch face because I like that one better. Let's go to this one, and yep, we're good for now. Alright, so just in terms of operating the watch, it does come with a couple of cool features. One really nice feature that I like here is actually the widgets feature. Now we can have either 3 widgets like you see here, and you can customize all of these shortcuts guys in the Maimo Fit app. So very customizable. Or you can have a choice of 4 different shortcuts on your quick widgets. Very nice. Take a look at this one guys. So I have my sleep tracking information here, I have my heart rate tracking over here, and at the bottom I have my activity tracking. All at one glance, I can see every single information, and if I just want to jump into that, I can just tap on that shortcut very quickly and I jump into it. Check it out once more, click that, and we are into the app itself. Very nice here. I particularly like this 4 shortcut setup because for this I can see my amount of calories that I burned today. Obviously none because I've been sitting down all day, and of course you have those activities that you use all the time. You can put them in here. Everything is customizable, and this quick widgets thing really worked perfectly. Apart from that, if I just swipe towards the right, this is where we also have Maimo's AI assistant. So this assistant is called Mayday. Look at it, it's sort of blinking at me over there, and based on the time of the day, it will actually suggest you a couple of quick shortcuts. So right now it's showing that I should get moving. Yep, obviously I should get moving, and apart from that, it says that I should start breathing. So a 1-minute exercise for breathing might be relevant to me right now because maybe it feels that I'm stressful throughout the day. Yeah, so that's actually pretty cool on the Maimo Watch Flow. Alright, so let's check out what kind of activities does it really track. Now if I just go into the workout modes here, I'll notice that we actually have more than 100 activities that are being tracked. According to Maimo, it's 116. You have your typical running, your walking, your jumping, cycling, and all those. You also have your swim tracking, and I think that's pretty awesome because a lot of you guys out there like to track your swims. And the best part here about this activity tracking is that it supports the GPS built-in. So now if you just want to go out and run, you want to track your cycles and all that, you do not have to carry your phone with you. The watch itself with its GPS built-in will be able to track your pace, your distance and your location, and I think that's great about the Maimo Watch Flow. So that's in terms of the activity tracking, but how about your health tracking? Well, you are pretty much covered with the Maimo Watch Flow over here. So like I showed you just now, it tracks your all-day heart rate monitoring. You also have your all-day stress tracking, your SpO2 tracking, your sleep tracking, and for the ladies, you also have that cycle tracking, which I think might be really important to those ladies out there. Well, I'm just going to show you one really quick. So let's just go into heart rate tracking. You can see that it has been tracking my heart rate earlier on, and when I'm not putting the watch on, there's no reading over there. Let's just go back and check out the sleep tracking. But sleep tracking, you can see that for last night I had 8 hours of sleep, and I can see the time that I fell asleep, woke up, and my average SpO2. Of course, if I want to see more information, I can go into the Maimo Fit app and I'll be able to find out more information there. So really cool. All kinds of health features that you might probably need is all already in the watch itself. Just a quick disclaimer, if you are having any health issues, the right thing would be to check in with your doctor instead of relying from a smartwatch, because a smartwatch is still not a medical device. Now let's move on and check out some other cool stuff here. One more cool thing about this Maimo Watch Flow is in terms of the battery life. We are having up to 12 days of battery life based on standard usage on the Maimo Watch Flow, and I think that is awesome. Last but not least, in terms of notifications, you can just drag down from the top, and this is where you get into a couple of notifications. I like the fact that we have those app icons over there. We have my YouTube, my Instagram, and I think there's Facebook as well. So based on the kind of notifications that you get, you will be able to see them on the watch itself. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what I can share with you in terms of the Maimo Watch Flow. Again, it will be launching really soon, approximately 300 ringgit plus minus. It comes with a really nice design here. Awesome 1.6-inch AMOLED display, features that always on display as well. Comes with GPS built-in, tracks all sorts of stuff. I think this is a pretty interesting smartwatch, a pretty good one to actually get for that kind of price range. Now with that said, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to drop a like and sub to the channel. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye.